Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money from YouTube search automation channels. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. In this tutorial, we're diving into the world of creating a search-based faceless YouTube automation channel. If you're interested in sharing valuable information without revealing your identity, this guide is for you. So first things first, let's talk about search-based channels. A search-based faceless YouTube automation channel is a type of YouTube channel where you create videos that help people find answers to their questions or learn something new. Search-based means your videos are optimized to show up when people search for specific topics on YouTube or search engines. Faceless means that you don't show your face or reveal your identity in the videos, which can be useful if you want to maintain privacy. Automation, on the other hand, involves using tools and techniques to streamline the process of making videos, like using text to speech or screen recording software. Overall, this type of channel focuses on providing helpful information to viewers through videos that cater to what they're actively looking for online. Our first step in here is to choose a niche that revolves around popular search queries. This means addressing topics that people are actively searching for. So for this part, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate us the popular niche. As you can see in here, ChatGPT is already generating those niches for you. We have for technology, health and fitness, beauty, gaming, cooking, personal fitness, travel guides, educational courses, DIY and crafts, and home improvements. We also have fashion and style, parenting, life hacks, books, and motivation and self-improvement videos. So for this one, we'll choose the top one that we have in here, which is technology tutorials and reviews. This type of videos are often at the top when it comes to search automation channels because people are always curious about new gadgets and tech stuff. When you need to learn how to use a new device or decide if it's worth buying, you turn to these tutorials and reviews. It's like having a friend explain things to you. These videos help make complex technology easy to understand. Plus, many folks search for solutions to tech problems, and these tutorials often provide helpful answers. So technology is a hot topic, and that's why it's often number one in search automation channels. It's like having a go-to guide for all things tech. So once you've chosen your niche, it's time to plan your content. Start by brainstorming ideas that are directly related to the keywords you've identified. So we could still ask our friend in here to help us recording this matter. We'll just need to type in here, ChatGPT, what content should we do for technology tutorials and reviews? And we'll just need to hit on send. So as you can see in here, we are already provided with the different options of content that we could choose from. So since we are a tutorial-based channel, so we're going to be using the second option that we have in here, which is tutorial. So these are really popular because we will show people how to do things step by step. Imagine having someone to guide you through a task, like setting up a new app or fixing a computer issue. This videos makes it simple by breaking down complicated tasks into easy to follow instructions. You can pause, rewind, and watch again if needed, which is super helpful. People love these tutorials because they can learn something new or solve a problem without getting overwhelmed. That's why tutorial videos are such a hit on search automation channels. They make learning and problem solving much easier. Now for this next step, we'll ask help again to our friend in here. So let's try to ask it what tutorial should we do that can be easily searched. And our top one in here is how to create a website on WordPress. So this is actually a hit on YouTube because many people want to build their own websites, but they might not know how to start. These videos break down the process into simple steps. Imagine you're building with blocks. These videos show you where each block goes. WordPress is a popular platform that lets you make a website without needing to know a lot about coding. So when you're curious about creating your website, these videos are like a friendly guide showing you exactly what buttons to click and what things to type. That's why they're so popular. They help people achieve something cool without getting stuck or confused. Now let's go over to scripting for effective search visibility. So we'll still ask our friend in here to help us. But your script should naturally include the keywords you're targeting. So this will improve your chances of showing up in search results. So you'll just need to simply type in here, ChatGPT, can you create a YouTube script on how to create a website on WordPress, and then hit on send. And now as you can see in here, our script is already ready. Let's head on to the next part, which is the screen recording and video creation. So since this is a tutorial video, we'll need to do a screen recording for this. Recording your screen is a fantastic way to provide tutorials and guides. You can use screen recording software to capture every step of your process. So let's check out in here a tool that would help us into screen recording as well as the video editing. The tool that we're going to use for this one is OBS Studio. OBS Studio is like a magic tool for creating search-based channels with tutorial videos. It's great for recording what's happening on your computer screen, like showing how to use a software or playing a game. You can talk while recording, explaining each step. Then it lets you edit the video, making it look clean and professional. You can cut out mistakes or add text to explain things better. Imagine you're making a how-to guide on your computer, and OBS Studio is your camera, recording every click and move. It's super helpful for showing people how to do stuff on their computers, and that's why it's a go-to choice for tutorial creators. Now, another important thing that we have in here is thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so it should be eye-catching. And don't forget to craft titles that accurately represent your content. So for this one, the tool that we're going to use for this is Canva. This is like a creative superpower for making search-based tutorial channels shine. It's awesome for creating eye-catching thumbnails and titles that make people want to click and watch your videos. Think of it as your art studio, where you design visuals that grab attention. With Canva, you can easily put together text, images, and cool designs that show what your video is about. It helps make your video look professional and interesting, just like a book cover that makes you want to read more. So when you're making tutorial videos and you want folks to notice and click, Canva is your secret weapon for making your videos stand out and get more views. And there you have it. Today, we explored the power of YouTube search automation channels and how they can be your path to earning money. So we discovered that we can use different tools like ChatGPT, OBS Studio, and Canva. Remember, technology tutorials and reviews along with tutorial videos are gold mines for search-based channels. As you craft content, keep in mind the impact of consistent uploads and engaging your audience. By building a community around your content, you're setting the stage for success and making money through YouTube search automation channels. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and until next time, see you on the next video.